और फाइनली हमारी वाइट टाउन वाली सुबह, पौंडीचेरी की सबसे इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी स्पॉट। यहाँ के हर रंग, हर गली एक फ़ोटो फ्रेम जैसा लगता है। यहाँ पे स्ट्रीट्स का अलग ही स्वैग है, फ्रेंच वॉल्स, येलो बिल्डिंग्स और हर मोड़ पे एक क्यूट सा कैफ़े। मेरे आधे फ्रेंड्स तो रात भर ऊनो खेलते रहे जगे रहने के लिए, ये डर से कि सुबह रॉक बीच से सनराइज न मिस हो जाए। गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम रॉक बीच, Pondicherry. Today is day 3, our final day in Pondicherry before we move to another place this night. And we woke up at around 6, and as early as we woke up, we came to the beach. It's been an hour, more than an hour that we are here and taking pictures and videos all the way. And today we have got to cover the whole of White Town. So, an exciting day ahead. इतना कोशिश के बाद भी एग्जैक्ट सनराइज तो मिस हो ही गया, पर सुबह 6 बजे हम 4 लोग पहुंच गए थे रॉक बीच टू से हेलो टू द सन एंड टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल डे दैट लाइड अहेड। Next on, we went to the most awaited cafe of Pondicherry for breakfast, Coromandel Cafe. This is one of the most beautiful cafes of Pondicherry. इतना beautiful कि हम खाना से ज़्यादा pictures और videos लिए. You can't just stop clicking pictures of this cafe. And the interesting fact is, this building was once the residence of a French judge during the colonial era, and it has been named in the list of India's top restaurants by Condé Nast Traveler. और जितना अच्छा यहाँ का इंटीरियर था, उतना अच्छा यहाँ के डिशेस। We tried something different for the very first time, and we absolutely loved it. It was already checkout time, so cafe se we directly went to the hotel, checked out our luggage, and kept them in the reception. And before we leave our room for the last time, this was our suite room, जहाँ 4 लोग आराम से फिट हो सकते हैं। एक ब्यूटीफुल बाथरूम था, एक चेंजिंग रूम भी था, as well as a mini refrigerator. But पता है द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द रूम क्या था? दिस balcony. I have spent some 2-3 hours in the balcony right from the day I came here. This was beautiful. होटल से चेकआउट करके we were off to our next destination of the day, Paradise Beach. Paradise Beach हमारे होटल से काफ़ी दूर था. It took us more than an hour to reach there. पर जाने का रास्ता इतना खूबसूरत था कि we enjoyed every bit of the journey. So we have just arrived at the Paradise Beach, and you can do a lot of activities over here, water sports and anything that you want. Per head entry cost is 70 rupees, and separate charges for camera, drone cameras and everything. But I believe it's worth it. Keep a whole day for this beach. You have a lot of activities to cover here. Paradise Beach. It's so beautiful. यहाँ पे आते ही it felt like time had stopped for us. We started having second thoughts about skipping the next part of the trip. हम तो इतना भी सोच लिए थे कि यहीं पे रह जाएंगे, कहीं और नहीं जाएंगे. This is indeed one of the most beautiful beaches of Pondicherry. नहीं, मैं रोनाल्डो फैन नहीं हूँ. I am a die-hard Messi fan, but my friend is a Ronaldo fan. We had a lot of fun. We danced around. We spent a lot of time here. और फिर it was time to say goodbye to Paradise Beach क्योंकि time हो रहा था. And we had to head on to our next destination. So we are done with visiting Paradise Beach. We didn't get that much time to try out all the water activities and the different activities that are there. And right now we are heading to White Town once again to visit a few more places that were left, like the Aurobindo Ashram and the lighthouse and a few more places. So that's all right now. Hope we reach there at the soonest so that we can complete visiting the whole place and then go to a new place. So we just came to Aurobindo Ashram from Cafeterias. The Cafeterias is closed today since it's Tuesday. We could not go inside. But right now we are in front of Aurobindo Ashram and mobile and camera is not allowed. You have to shut down your mobile and camera. We are going to go inside right now. We will be heading to Pondicherry Lighthouse right after this. Meet Lakshmi, the elephant who served at this temple since 1995 when she was brought in here by an industrialist. She would bless everyone who would seek for it. Sadly, she passed away in 2022 at the age of 32, and I was lucky enough to get her blessings. और फिर पौंडीचेरी की एक लास्ट सनसेट विटनेस करते हुए वी वेंट टू दिस फाइनल स्पॉट ऑफ द डे. There is the lighthouse that you can see right at the back. We didn't have enough time to go inside, or we don't even know what the process is of getting inside. But we just clicked one picture and we are heading back because we have a train to catch and we don't have that much time. One last ride, scooty ride at Pondicherry. We were missing this whole thing that, never had this much of freedom of going around in the streets like anything in my own city. I enjoyed a lot going to another place tonight, hoping to have equal amount of fun there as well. But this time Pondicherry has made us all happy. And we are really, really, really happy, more than happy actually.